Yo, 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 welcome back, guys. We are live. Yeah, let me check. Let me check if we are live. Let's go a little bit. So, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel on a Monday morning, inauguration day, and also we're having a crazy market today. So, what is this inauguration day going to mean for us? But hold on, before I go on with the intro, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and let's roll on this live. So, yeah, what do we have here now? First of all, perceiving the market structure from I've been taking so much losses since since the 13th of 13th of December January. Price has been ranging, no breakout, no real actual breakout. But I guess it's because of the innovation that is coming on soon and Trump administration and all these things is going to make the price to halt in one place. But what does this mean for us today? First of all, remember we're going to draw our box of fortune. If you don't know what box of fortune means, you have to watch my previous YouTube video, when I dropped on Saturday. I'm going to start with here, from here till when is London close. Let's drop it at 9. Yeah. So what does this mean? What does this box mean? This box means that every of our decision, I don't care where you are on the planet Earth. I don't care where you are on the internet, where you are, how much money you have. If you want to make money in this industry, you're going to be making it inside this box. So far, you're trading GBP USD. The whole information we have is inside this box. I did the video I think, I did a video on my YouTube channel. Maybe you should go and watch it. And I want to know if the uh, previous data is still available. No, I don't. Okay, it's not available. I deleted it. Thank God. So that we won't have a messy price action to work with. So, what are my plans today? I want to see a clear price action today. I want something like this. I'm going to be going long. I want to be buying when I see something like this. Clear break of structure with candlestick, then comes back and I will take the trade up. If I'm shorting, I want to see clear this, this. No? If I'm taking shots, since the market is up on a buy trend, I want to see something like this. Market taking the high, taking a low, then I can take a short. These are two things I'm looking at today to happen in this price action. But for now, we still have a price position uptrend. We have this structure to work with, this structure highs. So if price breaks this structure highs with a candlestick, then we'll know if we can start going long. Let us with previous high. Previous high is looks like lot of words. And this is PH, not PH. Yeah, I believe it's previous high. So that's previous, yeah. So these are PH. These are previous high. If price takes out this high, we'll be looking for a long. But if price takes out this low, we'll be looking for the short. Let me name it PL. Or can you lower low? Just lower low. Lower low is okay. And this complex languages. This is what we're working at. Price is at the range. If price takes out this low, we're looking for a short. If price takes out this high, we're looking for a long. So I still about this camera. I don't know what I'm going to do to fix it. Yeah. While I'll fix it, it's kind of dark. Maybe OBS wants me to update my profile, my app. I don't know what they want from me, but whatever they want, I'm going to give it to them so that I can get a clean camera. Or maybe my system needs an update. I don't know what's wrong with all these things. But I'm going to give this market some time to breathe. And if I come back, let me add BTC. So we'll talk about BTC and the sudden spike. It's not sudden. Everything has a cause. It must have a technical aspect of it that maybe you ignored, and you know saying that it happened by mistake. Yeah. Okay. DXY. We're going to talking about DXY. Let me just write it down. Talk about DXY and BTC. Check due trade. So this is three things we're working with. If I go and freshen up and come back, I'm just coming back from the gym. You can see my drag is still on and everything's still on. I'm having a low battery, so I'm going to fix everything up. Maybe like 20 minutes, I will be back and let's talk about this. For now, let me. I'll off the mic. So maybe when I come back, we'll continue. Yeah, I'm back on seat. I don't know if anyone can hear me, but we'll check. So, firstly, like we said earlier, we're looking for this or this to know our direction for the day. This is not a break. Remember, we always talk about candle break and a week break. If this 15 minutes close with a candle, I'll make sure you're hearing my voice. You're hearing my voice. This is not a break. Remember, we always talk about candle break and a week break. If this 15 minutes close with a candle, like I said, if this 15 minutes close with a candle, then we'll have like more 5 minutes to go. So before the 5 minutes elapse, we'll check on DXY and see what we got. Yeah, I think we'll check on DXY and see what we have. Then next 5 minutes, we'll see. We'll set our fate. If it wicks it, I'm not taking any trade from here. But if it's close with a candle, then we're looking for a short pair. This analysis. So let's talk about DXY. Come back in 5 minutes later. Uh, if anyone can remember our Thursday stream, Thursday or Friday stream, I thought about. I said that yeah, we took a short, no, a long on GBUSD, and then DSY was around here. I think many people that was on stream then I was like, I want DSY to come down and fill this value gap, take this liquidity, if possible. But my own target was this fair value gap because I know that this is a very important price action that needs to be filled. But look what happened. Price filled this fair value gap, swept this liquidity, this buy side liquidity, fill this fair value gap also, and then pinged here before reversal. You see how everything was lining up without an indicator, without anything, just pure and clean price action. So this is what happened. So price filled everything and then so I'm expecting more US dollar pushing up during Trump inauguration because it's going to be a positive on the dollar side. So I'm going to take this I'm going to take this to the upside, then name it external liquidity. So yeah, this has been filled. Price has mitigated this point of interest, and it left this place untouched. Might come back later, but not now. But as you can see that it has, as you can see that it has filled this fair value gap and touched here, then pushed up. Then we're expecting our external liquidity to be taken. So that is what we have now. Okay, and if this is pushing up, that means obviously pound dollar is going to sell. This is just why yeah. It's going to enter 110. That's why G is going to sell heavily. So yeah, I think the 15 minutes are about to close. 2 more minutes. The DXY is on. Yeah. So yeah, we have a lot of gap to cover. The whole sell side liquidity. So I can't keep marking this place external. We all know how it works. Price placing a trend line, placing higher equal highs, then coming back to sweep it this way. Let me use this. Come back to sweep it this way. So this is what I have on DXY, and yeah, it makes sense. And obviously, this is obviously a price action that you have to work with. So we have. So what time is the Trump inauguration? It's supposed to be um NY Open. I think yeah. That you have to work with. So it's supposed to be New York Open. Let me check. Trump inauguration is supposed to be New York Open. Let me share this live stream on my Telegram channel. Let me share it on my Telegram channel. How do I share this here? Share, copy, close, and boom. Telegram, yeah. So I'll be streaming for 44 minutes. Yeah. So I think this 5 minutes is gone already. Let's see what we have. Okay, a few more seconds. I already know what's going on, so it's obviously sells. But if I sell on G, we're going to be using this point of interest. This POI. So this is obviously the last bullish candle for this bearish momentum. But price can week back at few seconds. I said it. Few seconds just week back. But if it closes with a candle, nah. This looks trickish. Let's see 5 minutes. 5 minutes look trickish also. What do I have to do? What do I have to do? What do I have to do? Am I placing my money on this? Or am I letting it to slide? This week, can't break this low, this candle low, this. We'll be patient. If it comes back here, fine, we'll take it off. If it didn't come back, we must wait for a candle break. We have to wait for a candle break. Oh. If we can't get a trade, it's fine. It's not a must that we're going to get a trade today. There might be a no trade day. Who knows? But like I said, if we are taking a trade, we must make sure we take um we take an A plus setup inside the box of fortune. Let me delete this one. I don't know why my live stream doesn't want to show up the informations. So coming to BTC, let's start a lot here. Or we get carried away. A lot. Alert maintenance. We're doing some brief maintenance alert. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, the BTC that pumped up might be from the pump, Trump, whatever. But there's always a technical behind this. You can't just say that it just moved on its own. There must be a technical behind this. So, but let's start with knowing the time of the Trump inauguration because Oh, CBS always has a correct update. Let's see the time. Nah, we'll talk about the inauguration. Yeah. No, I don't have an ad block again. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Yeah. Don't come up now, please. 28th. Wait, what time does room? 10:30 a.m. EST. Yeah, sorry, ET. Eastern time. 10:30 ET is supposed to be 4 p.m. Nigerian time. I guess. Okay, 12:30 today. It's almost London, New York Open. 12:30 today. So on 12:30 a.m. we'll start experiencing some. Yeah, look at what I'm talking about. This break. Talking about this break. Candle break. Not a week break. Candle break. But I've checked this and delete it. What about trades like this is that the ones you wait for, they won't come back to take you in or give you a reasonable amount of and stop loss for you to execute. If we are taking from this trade place where no on this place we are having 14 pips without buffer, then making it a lot of let me say 20 pips, 20 pips. But price won't I doubt that price won't come back and get us in because it's moving with a very strong momentum. Yeah. Even though very strong, I want to delete this and work with this. Even the very strong momentum. So it's up to fate to take us in on this trade and let's see how it goes. Sorry. Yeah. If this trade gets to 2 hours without getting us in, we'll close the limit order and that'll be on for maybe the day or the session, but anyone at all. Uh, I need to edit this box like box of fortune. Box of fortune, yeah. So we've talked about DXY and where I'm anticipating to get to. If you're not watching before, we've talked about DXY and where we're expecting to get to, and talked about BTC and anticipation of BTC. Then Trump inauguration time 10:30 ET, and waiting for this trade to trigger. So let's talk about BTC now. Let me use it for 4 hours so it will be clear to you. I don't know if a dummy in SMC or ICT or any pattern of other block trade would clearly know that this trade off of this other block in this. And one thing I learned from one of my friend when he was actually teaching me how the most effective order block and one that's not effective. Last 2023 was say that an order block that tests an order block is the one that is effective. Let's use for example, this is another block. This is another block. This other block is effective. This other block is effective. This one is effective, but this one is not. Why? It's not that price won't react off of it, too, but it's given an instant that more often than not, price is not going to test this other block. Why? Because it's testing from nowhere. One moment. So I'm going to on the light. Yeah. What do we have? Let me know if the lighting is okay. Yeah. So as I was saying, this other block might not be effective, but this might be effective. This might be effective because this one is testing this one. This one is testing this one. Okay, no. This one can test this one because this one is not effective. So this one is testing this one. This one is effective. So more often than not, if price comes back, it's going to test here and then pushes down. So this is what this is explaining. This is why this was not respected. This other block was not testing anywhere. This other block wasn't testing anywhere. Sorry. This other block wasn't testing anywhere. But this one was testing here. Although that it's closed with a bullish candle, but the whole region tested somewhere before it's created. And this one also tested this other block for pushing up. You might doubt it, but in a lower time frame, let me zoom it more. In a lower time frame, this structure is a change of character. This is a low that was taken and the high that was taken. This is the block here. This one tested it and started pushing up. In as much as we have this swing high that price has not taken out. This swing that price has not taken out still effective, but price has tested this place and this and this and this and this. It's created in between structures. You can call it internal structures, like we have external structures. And we call it internal structures, price created it and then pushed up. That is what created this block on point of interest. If I'm trading BTC, I'm trading BTC, I'll be having my limit order there. No doubt. No jokes. I will be having my limit order here. But I don't have the patience to wait for BTC, and I don't like pairs that are this volatile. Like you can check now. I don't trade gold. I don't trade US statics, and I don't like all these fast moving pairs. You know, understand? So this one wasn't holding, but this one was holding. Let's see what happened in BTC in GBUZ. I'll trade. Then we can come back here because there are some pullbacks. Okay, price pulled back, but not enough to get us in. We can take a trade here, but we might be at risk of getting swept out at this level. So this is a point of interest that price has to take out. This. Sorry, it's an imbalance. But the price has to fill. But if we are taking a trade, then we'll have two positions in this one and this one. This one will start like an entry. Then when price gets here, we'll stack in as we can. So but let's leave it to one position. If price didn't take us, then that's it. So back to BTC, that is what happened. Price respected this point of interest, this one, then pushed up. I don't think that anyone has this might be confusing. I don't think that this might be confusing, but it's not. This is very, very basic. Let's see if it repeated itself. BT structure is always it's always moved by the masses. It does what it wants to do. But this particular one caught my eye. It once in a lifetime respect structure, do what structure wants to do. Know that there is structure in the market even before sentiment. So that is what happened on BTC today. Like I said, BTC pumped and aced the 80H. This was the 80H 17th Friday. I think, yeah. No. Look at the 80H here. 17th December was the 80H, which is 108K. What's fun about this BTC stuff is that, yeah, BTC 80H, BTC this and that, this and that. But the concept here is if you don't have enough money, you won't be making money from these pumps. That's the plain truth. Everyone in the internet must be shouting BTC pump, BTC break 80H, BTC did this and that. But how are you going to benefit from this small pump? Okay, let's say, okay, yeah, you're a technical analyst and you take a trade here and it's pushed to your TP, bam. This another 2% added to your account. It's not new to you. Another 2% or another 4% added to your account. It's not new to you. It's something that you've been doing in the market, in the forex market. You have been doing all this while. Like, you understand? The only way I say that I can be making money from this is people that went all in here, then hoped it would push up. That's people that I know that, okay, yeah, they can get it, get what they want. But on a technical analyst part, on a normal trading part, let's say you lose 2% here, price get your TP 4%. Normal day in the life of a trader. This is normal to you. It's not like something that you have not seen before. It's normal to you. So why they pump and why they hype? People that are making money in this people are people that are well funded. And I mean well funded, it's not about funded people that are well financed. People that will dump 100 million here and get out with almost 500 million here. That's the people that are making money here. Maybe you might get all in with your $20 account, $30 account, flip it to 2,000 or 3,000. That's nice. Understand? But what are the odds that it's going to happen every day? No odds. It's one time something. So I don't want to sound controversial on my live stream. I just came here to take trade and leave. Understand? So, but I have to put this PTC pump so that everybody will like chill, man, chill. Like, well, that's by the way. Who cares? So BTC gone back to my GBUSD about 15 minutes time frame. So I'm done with this. Even though I'm taking a shot on this, price looks really much selling aggressively. Price has sold so much. Understand? I don't know how to put it again, but price has sold so much. But well, who are we to decide what price will do when it wants to do? It's going to keep selling until it says that it wants to reverse. So this is what we have here. So live stream is almost 1 hour plus 1 hour 2 minutes. So let's know if price can get us in, and I'll be back for any other update on this also. So stay back, don't leave. Let me write it. Nah, stay back, don't leave. If you leave, I'm gonna hunt your stop loss. Maybe some few minutes. Yeah, I think we're back. So talking of a trade like this, when this price was at this place, I said I should take a trade here, but you know, like I always say, I don't want to gamble it on 50-50 chance. Price selling off from this place is a 50-50 chance. This is a price action if a lower high, lower low in the 5 minutes time frame. But I don't want to risk it because more often than not, price might come back, fill this gap, tap me in, and then our stop loss is going to be huge. Talking about from here to here, 20 pips, then we'll add our 5 pips, which is 25 pips. So it's much, it's much. I can't do it. So if we miss this entry, like we have already missed it, so it's not something we should be talking about or discussing or crying over it. It's a nice trade. Nice trade. I'm not gonna lie. So low key, I might not be crying, but know how that goes. I might cry later. But this is a very nice trade. I waited for everything. Everything was piled up. You know what it means to wait for trade? Watch it create every damn thing that you're waiting for. I do this thing, do this and that, waiting for it to pile up. But that was like you have to go back to your break and test strategy. Well, that's by the way. So um, I think that's all for today's live stream. I don't want to prolong it and start making long videos again. Like I said, this Trump's inauguration day, and a lot of crazy things are going to happen. So yeah, that is it. By the way, I'll send this to my group and tell them what happened to me. I feel molested. I feel violated. 3 pips to my entry. That's just what it is. 3 pips to my entry, and I believe that another entry is still going to form inside this box. Another entry is going to form inside this box, I believe. Look, let me just change it. Let's bring it down a little bit because it's not going up again. This is what we waited for. It formed, and I believe that another entry is going to form inside this place. It was nice. So I drop it on my. If you don't, if you're not in my Telegram group, join the group in the link in the description. I have a group where I send updates. Obviously, me and my brother send signals there. So if I don't send the signal, you take from his own. If it doesn't send, join my live. We got you. The Hustlers Academy. So that's it for today. I think that is what it is. Yeah, it's what it is. I don't have anything to say or do. Yeah. So it is 1 minute, 1 hour plus. Let's look at GXY before we close. Yeah, that's why it's still pushing up. Like I said. So we'll come back tomorrow and see the update on DXY and how it's going to impact tomorrow's trade. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, like this video, please. Like this video. So it's going to draw an attention to people that see, yeah, we're on a live stream. every day on a live stream, and I'll keep getting better and better. So that is all for today. Subscribe button, like the video, please. Need to draw attention. That see, yeah, on a live stream, and I'll keep getting better and better. So that's all for today.